The 15 minutes you use watching someone else's vacation on Instagram, that's a chapter that could have taught you how to build your dream life. We are not lacking time. We are drowning in distraction. Turn social media into your personal classroom. Because right now, it's either your greatest distraction or your most powerful teacher. You decide. Most people are addicted to social media, but very few are intentional with it. You scroll for hours, laughing at memes, watching someone else's luxury lifestyle, comparing your behind the scenes with their highlight reel. And in the end, you feel more drained, more insecure, more lost. But what if I told you that the same platforms making you feel less than could be used to make you feel limitless? Think of your feed as your mental diet. If you keep feeding your mind gossip, drama, and artificial perfection, don't be surprised when you feel empty. But if you start feeding it ideas, brilliance, and breakthroughs, your mind becomes unstoppable. You are curating your consciousness. Every post you consume is a choice to evolve or to escape. Even your Instagram reels can be your mentors, if you choose right. That 1-minute wisdom can flip your entire mood, shift your mindset, make you rethink your decisions. It can become the voice you needed to hear when the world was silent. The wisdom is there, the brilliance is there, the guidance is everywhere. You just have to look for it. Stop using social media to escape your life. Start using it to build your life. Search out pages that teach you how to manage your money. Watch short clips from psychologists who explain trauma and healing. Save posts that drop knowledge about relationships, boundaries, purpose. Fill your saved folder with tools, not trash. Watch how fast your mindset shifts. Even TikTok, yes, even that, is filled with geniuses disguised as creators. People giving away $1 million lessons in 60 seconds. You can laugh and learn. You can be entertained and enlightened. But it's on you to shift your intention. You have the world's greatest university in the palm of your hand. It's not about deleting the apps, it's about dominating the feed. Choose who you follow like you choose who you become. Because they are connected. There's a girl right now in a small town with zero access to elite mentors. Psychologists, authors, and philosophers. She's watching their content daily, taking notes, making vision boards, implementing strategies. And while the world thinks she's just scrolling, she's actually studying, grinding in silence, preparing to shock the world. The question is not whether social media is bad. The question is, are you using it or is it using you? Turn your feed into fuel. Turn every swipe into a step forward. Turn your notifications into nudges from your destiny. Because the classroom is open and the syllabus is whatever you seek. Ask questions like a queen, not like someone begging for answers, but like a woman who knows her worth and wants to sharpen her power. Because queens don't stay silent in confusion. They speak up with courage, with clarity, and with the fire to evolve.